Ever feel like you're juggling a million things at once, and a few of those balls are dangerously close to dropping? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, whether you're managing personal projects, collaborating with a team, or trying to keep your household running smoothly, staying organized can feel like a Herculean task. Think about it for a second. You've got deadlines looming, tasks piling up, and communication threads scattered across emails, sticky notes, and who knows where else. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed and unproductive. You might be using spreadsheets, endless to-do lists, or even just trying to keep it all in your head. But let's be honest, how well is that really working for you? Now, imagine a different scenario. What if there was a visual, intuitive way to organize everything, from the smallest errands to the most complex projects? What if you could see at a glance exactly what needs to be done, who's doing what, and where everything stands? That's where Trello comes in. For those unfamiliar, Trello is a web-based project management tool built around the concept of boards, lists, and cards. Think of it as a digital whiteboard that you can customize to fit virtually any workflow. But it's more than just a digital to-do list. It's a dynamic system that can transform the way you organize your life and collaborate with others. So, the real question isn't just, what is Trello? But, how can Trello actually benefit me? Let's dive into the compelling advantages of using this popular platform. One of the most immediate benefits of Trello is its visual clarity. Forget sifting through endless lines of text in a spreadsheet. Trello presents your tasks and projects as visual cards arranged on customizable boards. Each board can represent a project, a team, or even aspects of your personal life. Within each board, you create lists, often representing stages of a workflow, like to do, doing, and done. And within those lists are individual cards, each representing a specific task. This visual layout provides an instant overview of your progress. You can see exactly what needs attention, what's in progress, and what's been completed, all at a glance. This eliminates the mental clutter of trying to keep track of everything in your head and allows you to focus on the tasks that truly matter. Beyond just visualization, Trello fosters enhanced organization. The card-based system allows you to break down large, daunting projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Each card can contain a wealth of information, including descriptions, due dates, assigned team members, attachments, checklists, and labels. This level of detail ensures that nothing gets lost in the shuffle and everyone involved has access to the information they need. The flexibility of Trello is another significant advantage. It's not a rigid, one-size-fits-all solution. You can customize boards, lists, and cards to perfectly match your specific needs and workflows. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, planning a wedding, tracking customer support tickets, or organizing your grocery list, Trello can be adapted to fit the bill. You can create as many boards as you need, arrange lists in any order, and use labels and colors to categorize tasks in a way that makes sense to you. For teams, Trello offers powerful collaboration features. You can easily invite team members to your boards, assign tasks to specific individuals, and track their progress. Team members can leave comments on cards, attach relevant files, and receive notifications about updates, fostering seamless communication and accountability. This centralized platform eliminates the need for endless email chains and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Speaking of communication, Trello significantly improves communication flow. By keeping all relevant information, discussions, and updates within the context of specific tasks, it reduces the chances of miscommunication and ensures that everyone has the latest information. Need to ask a question about a specific task? Just leave a comment on the card. Want to share a relevant document? Attach it directly to the card. This keeps conversations focused and easily accessible. Trello also promotes increased productivity. By providing a clear overview of tasks and progress, it helps individuals and teams prioritize effectively. The ability to set due dates and receive reminders ensures that deadlines are met. The visual nature of the platform can also be motivating, as you can see tasks moving from to do to done, providing a sense of accomplishment and encouraging continued progress. Furthermore, Trello integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other tools and services through Power UPS. These are essentially add-ons that extend the functionality of Trello boards. You can connect Trello with popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, Jira, Outlook, and many more. This allows you to automate workflows, access information from other platforms directly within Trello, and further customize your experience. For example, you could integrate your calendar to see deadlines directly on your board or connect with a time tracking tool to monitor how long tasks are taking. Another often overlooked benefit is Trello's accessibility. It's a cloud-based platform, meaning you can access your boards from anywhere with an internet connection, on any device, whether it's your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This flexibility allows you to stay organized and connected no matter where you are. Moreover, Trello offers a generous free plan that is perfectly suitable for individuals and small teams with basic needs. This makes it an incredibly accessible tool for anyone looking to improve their organization without incurring any initial costs. While there are paid plans with more advanced features, the free version provides a robust set of tools for effective task and project management. Beyond the practical benefits for work and team collaboration, Trello can also be a powerful tool for personal organization. You can use it to plan vacations, track personal goals, manage household chores, organize recipes, or even keep track of your reading list. The versatility of the platform makes it adaptable to virtually any area of your life where you need to stay organized. Think about using a Trello board to plan your next vacation. You could have lists for research, flights, accommodation, activities, and packing list. Within each list, you can create cards for specific tasks, like compare flight prices on different airlines, book hotel in Paris, or create a list of must-see attractions. You can add due dates for booking flights, assign tasks to travel partners, and attach confirmation emails to the relevant cards. This visual approach makes planning less stressful and ensures that no detail is overlooked. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.